Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you know about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? If you don't know, then this video is for you. I will explain it very shortly and simply. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or OCI is a cloud platform that allows us to use server, storage, networking, database and other related services through the internet. In simple words, when we want to create a physical server, we need a location, hardware, software, in networking, security, and maintenance. But with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, we do not need to manage everything physically. We can use and manage this resource online through the Oracle Cloud. Now let's see how we can start using it. First, I will click on the Start for Free button. Select the billing country. I selected Bangladesh. After that, enter the first name and last name. Then enter email. After that, an email will be sent your email address. You have to verify your email from there. When you click the email verification link, a new window will open. Here, you need to set your password. Then I select customer type is individual. And you can see I enter a cloud account name, HPH Mamun. I use a name. You can use any name you prefer for your cloud account. Remember, if you are from Bangladesh, you will not find Bangladesh in the region list. So you can choose a nearby country or region. After that, you need to add your address. Then you have to enter a valid phone number. Now, the most important part is this. If you want to use a Oracle Cloud free tier, you must have a MasterCard or credit card or Visa card. After completing all the steps, click on the finish. Then log in using your username and password. Now, you need to install an app on your phone. The app name is Oracle Mobile Authenticator. After installing the app, open it. You will see a passcode inside the app. Enter that code on the Oracle verification page. After verification, your Oracle Cloud account will be open. That's it. You can start using Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Thank you.